Hi guys, welcome back to another form filling video. As you all know कि TS रहमान ने अपने फॉर्म रिलीज कर दिए हैं for TNS 2025 batch, and in today's video we'll see how you have to fill that form so you don't make any kind of mistake. Let's start with it. Okay, so first of all आपको इस साइट पे आ जाना है. This is the official site of TS रहमान. You can also click the link in the description, and जब आप यहाँ पे आ जाओगे you have to click on pre-C course or booking. Okay, then you will have four options here. First of all is BSc in Nautical Science, second is this one, and you have to go for the third one, which is 1 year pre-C Deck Cadet course. You click on apply and there would be some just information for you. You click on I accept and then आपका जो फॉर्म है वो इनिशिएट हो जाएगा. Then you click on candidate photo first of all. तो आप अपनी कोई सी फोटो यहाँ पे लगा सकते हो. After that your application date ये अपने आप से हो क्या रखा होगा. Academic year, again this would be by itself, and then salutation you have to select by yourself. Then first name as your passport or Aadhaar card. After that your middle name है तो आप डाल सकते हो, नहीं तो it's not mandatory. Then your last name and then your date of birth. After that your birthplace, and then your email ID. Make sure आप email ID बिल्कुल सही डालें because the confirmation and registration mail ये आपके इसी मेल पे आएगा. After that your mobile number, then your highest qualification depends on you, and then your religion, your caste, your subcaste अगर है तो डाल सकते हो, नहीं तो it's not very important, and last school you attended you can just type it. After that endorsed number and then ये exam set number you can just skip it and you just click on the next option, and here you have to fill your basic details, your family details basically. So first of all your father's name, and make sure ये आपके documents के हिसाब से हो, वरना आगे जाके कोई दिक्कत कर सकता है. So you carefully type your name, sorry your father's name. After that your father's occupation, mother's name, annual income of father or parents, and passport number अगर है तो आप डाल सकते हो, नहीं है तो you can just skip it. And after that identification mark again, if you want you can put, otherwise it's not very important. Height in centimeters you can just type it in here, and your weight. Then there's option of shirt size as well, so you can select by yourself. Pant size again, shoe size, and then there are preferred meals you can just select by yourself. After that you click on next, and here is your address details, so you type in your address, and then your country. After that your state, all that basic information, and then your city, pin, your district, nationality, contact number, then your father's email ID, और यहाँ पे आप अपनी भी डाल सकते हो, no worries. आफ्टर दैट अगर आपका जो प्रेजेंट एड्रेस है वो इसी एड्रेस के जैसा है, मतलब यही एड्रेस है बेसिकली, तो आप यहाँ पे सेम एज अबव क्लिक कर सकते हैं, एंड देन दिस वुड बी नॉट अवेलेबल टू यू. एंड देन गार्जियन एड्रेस, अगर आपके जो पेरेंट्स है वो आपके साथ ही रहते हैं तो यू कैन जस्ट अगेन क्लिक ऑन दिस वन. नाउ आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट, एंड दिस इज द academic details section. So you first of all type the college name or your school name basically, then the board by which you pass through, your passing year, and marks obtained. This is the aggregate marks, and total marks you can just type in. Okay, so basically there are 6 subjects, so 600 is the total marks, and then you type in the marks obtained. Sorry, repeat. So now you have to type in your marks. First of all, the marks you obtained out of 600, because generally we have 6 subjects and the total marks is 600. So how many marks you got out of it, you can just type it here. And then the total marks, which is 600 or 500 dependent upon the subjects you have. And number of attempts, again you can just say, write 1. Okay, after that your this was your 10th grade information, and HSC means your 12th grade information. So you type it in here. Again, board, year of passing, total marks, and marks you obtained. Number of attempts depending upon you. And okay, we also have your English, mathematics, science, physics and chemistry. So you just type in the individual marks you got in these subjects. 10th के ब्रैकेट में आप मैथमेटिक्स और साइंस इन सब के मार्क्स, फिजिक्स को छोड़ सकते हो आप, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो लीव केमिस्ट्री बिकॉज 10th में शायद नहीं होती है. एंड या देन इन योर 12th, आफ्टर दैट अगर आपने कोई डिप्लोमा करा है या ग्रेजुएशन करी है, देन यू कैन एंटर द डिटेल्स ऑफ योर कोर्स हेयर. नहीं तो आप आगे रजिस्टर एंड पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस वुड बी योर एप्लीकेशन, एंड मेक श्योर आपकी जो डिटेल्स वो सारी सही हैं, क्योंकि बाद में ये शायद चेंज ना हो सके. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट मेक द पेमेंट, एंड द फॉर्म प्राइस इज 850. You click on make payment, and there would be a payment portal before you, so you can pay by any whatever you like. And that was all about the form filling video, guys. Thank you for today.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए? Then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMU CT and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.